Setting up a professional seller account on Fiverr can be a great way to unlock success on the platform. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Sign up and create an account. Visit the Fiverr website, www.fiverr.com, and click on the Join button to create an account. You can sign up using your email address or connect with your Google or Facebook account. 2. Define your services. Think about the skills and services you want to offer as a seller on Fiverr. Identify your strengths and areas of expertise that you can provide to buyers. 3. Create your gigs. A gig is a service you offer on Fiverr. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Become a Seller. Then, click on Create a New Gig to start setting up your offerings. Provide a catchy gig title, description, packages, pricing, delivery time, and any additional details related to your services. 4. Set up gig extras. Gig extras allow you to offer additional services or features at an extra cost. Determine what extras you can provide to enhance the value of your gigs. 5. Add gig requirements. Specify the information or materials you need from buyers to start working on their orders. This helps you gather all the necessary details up front, streamlining the order process. 6. Upload attractive visuals. High-quality visuals like images, videos, or samples of your work can attract potential buyers. Capture your skills and services in an appealing manner to make your gigs stand out. 7. Optimize your gig SEO. Use relevant keywords and descriptive titles to improve the visibility of your gigs in Fiverr's search results. Understanding SEO strategies can make a significant difference in driving traffic to your gigs. 8. Set competitive pricing. Determine a fair price for your services based on your expertise, market demand, and competition. Consider starting with lower prices initially to attract buyers and build your reputation. 9. Promote your gigs. Take advantage of Fiverr's built-in promotional features like social sharing, gig extras, and sponsored gigs to increase your exposure. You can also leverage social media platforms and your personal network to promote your services. 10. Provide exceptional customer service. Ensure timely and professional communication with buyers. Be responsive, address their queries, and strive to exceed their expectations to build a positive reputation. Remember, success on Fiverr takes time and effort. Continuously refine your gigs and adapt to buyer demands to maximize your earning potential. Good luck with your Fiverr journey.